Open your favorite web browser and type PHP download. PHP download. Click and open this link. Current stable version, and in below I want to download for Windows. Download this zip. Open your download folder. Cut PHP zip folder and create a folder. Paste here. Now extract file. You can browse and select folder as you like. I press OK. Rename the folder. Copy it. Go to C drive, program files. Paste here. Press continue. Now open folder. Copy PHP path. Now go to home and click on open settings. Click search. Type edit environment. Click it. Here you can add int system variables. I want to add in user variables. Click on path. Click edit. Click new. Paste your PHP path. Press OK. OK. Open your CMD. Type PHP space -v. Okay, here you can see PHP version successfully installed 8.1.9. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.